Okay, let's go.
Alright, welcome back to the channel. So, I thought I would take a second to show you guys something absolutely crazy that I found out while taking this thing apart. So, as you can see, I am pretty far along with taking things apart. I redid a couple of things, cleaned a couple of things, transmission looking a lot better than it was. Pretty sure it was like black, kind of the same color as this power steering pump, which is next on the cleaning list. But yeah, I got a ultrasonic tank, and I'm gonna really do some deep cleaning, anti-rust. Gonna eventually redo completely the entire brakes. I'm gonna paint them black on black like everything else, but I'm gonna take them completely apart, put them in the tank, take them down to bare metal, and then paint them the right way. I'm gonna make a video about that. But the reason for this video is I discovered this engine here has been running on one leg, because if you look, there is nothing inside of that turbo. The blades are completely gone. It has not been working. And the vehicle was running, driving fine. Obviously, I've never owned my own VR4, and it was slower than my twin turbo Beamer, because going from a 800 horsepower twin 2871 custom turbo Beamer to, the GTO was a step down, and I knew that, but I never driven one, so I had no idea when I discovered this turbo has been gone completely the whole time. It must have been like that when I got it in Japan. I mean, I drove it from Hiroshima all the way to Kobe, um, down to Iwakuni, and yeah, I never noticed, and neither did the car. I guess that is one thing about JDM stuff is 90s JDM. I mean, anything nowadays would have just completely died, white smoke. I mean, it would have been all over for any modern vehicle, but this thing was still kicking, and I guess I'd be a lot more upset if I didn't have two badass Kinugawa 21H turbos ready to go into this thing. But yeah, anyways, I just wanted to give that little quick update. I'm gonna have a couple of videos of some new things coming in here soon. I got the old ABS proportioning valve out, and get it out to one of the guys from the forums. But yeah, I'm deleting a lot of systems. I definitely accidentally cut my rear brake lines, so I'm going to take that fuel filter off and attempt to reflare them and build a new section there. Otherwise, so I have a couple of ways I can fix it, but yeah, I'm a little upset with myself for that one. I was just going to town doing some deletes and forgot about that. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll have some new content after this long Memorial Day weekend. So, have a good one.